But Chiamo wish for and you read your set so someone said that my boy return Abba much as you fire home comments no and it's encouraging. And Cecilia Damasi 51,000 subscribers in easy like Jenny no money by Biaba join again. It him so more cancel my become on a dozen. But your video much I want subscribe my why now. Say subscribers and say Jenna Timinia award nipping who say at least 10 are picking. But so far I must say like my boy and sometimes more comments and encourage a lot. That must say Tema Boy when you travel all the way from Tema Boy. I think it's 199 then. Return of Tema Boy is 137. Yeah, it's a mini mistake. And you know the question me feel say mo be brief because I think say me really comments na you be brief mo ya. But Tema Boy will still be Tema Boy. So when see and see no. You know I'm regidi yin hunu. Me akasa kra me right na me direct. Me nem say regidi was sign as one sign ya. And we are planning of bringing you the reloaded. Na yen hwe say bia after say a boa no say no was sign as why there. You know there we are yet to think something to me come was in be we appreciate like me name crew me artists ni na yedamase for more support be so far mo dia ba bedru if I'm to more subscribe channel ni nyini dia ba ya say nyini more than this and then the other channels too are doing well yedamase say mo share my but I think say in jamase because now no me current series dama come so make us say I think say you should patronizing so yeah I love that series so much like storyline no maybe I okay then a man for girls too so and also me say Tema Boy akwa dem money brava akwa so enti mon share ohiani asem na mon share a man for girls oko official Tipsy TV so I think say wahala so run that one is a beautiful series enti mon konko share and then our other channels Babs One TV Venza, Usa, sweet, I'm sweet, and Adepa. Is it what? I think I think TV. Fans now of I think I have blah. Anyway, fans now of I think I has you. Like your current, I think is currently on set. And then we have other stories. So I did Bremo. You should watch out for. Make us one story. More na mo fili Tema Boy no one story about will be Philippines or Odo Carpenter. Yeah, it is the new thing I deba. Ko Efobra. Okay, they want to. You see this guy? I think say me that professor I say like the coming of Lewen colleague artists I'm not ye juma. Sometimes when I see something in them I see it. But sometimes now you can't behind closed. This guy is a great person, seriously. Like, we catch him crew one time, yeah, and then I would love it. Say, I'm a Brazilian or the age man, because where you see, I'm Brazilian. I see something in him, like they make. Now we compare one of our legends, scrap, and you know, we could do light, and we are back. I'm saying we praise you for the year. If we introduce you, Tema Boy, when I'm starting to introduce you, yeah, he was introducing Tema Boy, and then I think some man for girls now. He's one of the artists of man for girls. I call and then currently to Ohianiasim, and then I feel like Oba Yenche, but or you're one of the artists I fans and who's a Madonna, and you know, to say the moon name on me when I see something in somebody, I feel like in Kwasi Cache. In I say you project in Pacrona. Me tell me, I can't say whatever I do it for God. Say me ya opa praise me, opa condemn me. And I know many people me go condemn. I feel like it's what about time we have to hype this guy. And you know, watch out for Odo Carpenter. Remember, cast story may be brief, but it's a beautiful story. Na me ya duma to me. Who say I met Tema Boy near. And Tema Boy so I know you guys love Tema Boy so much, but watch out for Odo Carpenter, and then also watch out for this beautiful series like Life in My Village. That one is a beautiful series, and then I hope say more enjoy. If I know my fans love you, like our fans. They say fans scratch him. Kabibitro, tell them something.
Yeah, lovely people. May God richly bless each and everyone supporting my
na fans no kasante na okan brofo na tisa okan brofo na wana
me da obi biase obi biara or supporting the me ye biara na aseda kese nso so ekoma me director na
aseda na nyame dia
aseda ekoma nyankopon na onyankopon so nhira na cast ni nyina crew ni nyina se muni ho amisumi ni ho enti na me nhira
catch on some subscribe
subscribe my because I know never my ejuma no so akosomo nti the more am hwe na mo subscribe na mo share na mo like it just say mo ya bibiara boko my nyame ba hira mo bebre akpana mi kata no vinya fagbeto we kam ye ko
okay aba
mauna irami
mauli
maba mauna ira nyame hira mo nyina mauna ira Maraku mi like na mi comment na mi asa mi subscribe.
I was Dr. Like ya dey.
Oh me kind of director. Me
just me like bi.
Me say I am like it.
Oh okay.
No more comment, no more share.
Okay.
Ma una ira mi kata.
Charlie squad of ya say you. Squad of ya no ma first my boy and the people wanna say thank you for your support. Baba of ya. Yeah, that's why you're consa. Oh no, we are the best reporter in the world. Charlie, come and tell them something. They can't be true. Baba, like I think Baba is also somebody like my main kind of wants them cry. I was started acting and I was starting.
Okay, I'm in them woman, but I happen and big now.
Because like when you say I'm a cameraman, like I don't know, someone I'm a catcher, like a works I he's the man behind the camera. But I saw one or two people on Zoom, Charlie. They did not come on so it tripped me. But I tell them something. I think people like you.
Yeah, there must some support here. Now, some other item come on subscribe channel because you see, you know, award and you see here.
You hear because if work, if work, like I remember from Double Trouble. This is August.
Yeah,
met with girls. And then you see me in the door, so Street Lab. Christmas, yeah. And let me tell you something. Christmas in the village, you know, say last time and then most of you were angry. I mean, church you want to put and then because Christmas in the village, you know, your bonus series and then your fans and some fan Dibuya. The Christmas in the village, you know, December be at the Bama. It's like we are preparing to shoot the season 2. Now, see, I will be around November until like we are preparing to shoot the season 2 of Christmas in the village. And then you have to say be and then or something, but it's not a plan. You say every December beyond from 1st December to maybe somewhere 15th January beyond. I was say mama enjoy Christmas, man, because if you more crew, more when you say the classic in the city, you more enjoy. And like Christmas in the village too, like from 1st December going, you know, yeah, the season 2 November.
We cried. I know she's crossing the first one. Boom.
Say bring a brand na say baba ko wi akoko nti ye be the day
say na go for ka say bed man come na mu so e kwa go for so
Shatta City ye beto aso de amamo I know say who's a Shatta City like ye shooting here big globe hit here kakra nti no yeah that one too no I know most of you love Shatta City I must say they be bring back sugar too is here sugar and sugar too is here but mama me ya bet kakra almost say last time na it be a shock now as a fans will be remind me amba unso you want me see try me tina matiti en kama na ko Amaka Junction o do Kumasi Amaka Junction as access bank kan wa hanoma we say shop when they see we say true name Style Boy collections and Barbary Studio. That maybe first na me ho ye but we started saying me was Style Boy ho no say see am my sexy me say me boa dia ma mo nka nti munyi wo ho munyi muti ho no ana enye wuti nko am say wo pese wo shada like looking for shata there nice wash your jeans nice na cake nice and also some Style Boy collections say oni na bi di ma Amaka Junction so pese ye bra be deliver na ma so no fresh 0553 605889 say what talk anyama more boom so we say oh fees and stars no near the bro what I say we say virus in the crew near have a surprise so come on fee or turn more yeah the bro what I say sugar come and see something she's chewing a bit.
Hey lovely people, our people, our family. It was your for ye don't want it. Ye some small doyen, but ye don't more when you are ye nivo. Ye the two no one shy you know be. Yes, Remo said the Mukita and Kakranka Crano. Munkita yensa. We are still working. Adias a power how. Hey, African media didn't don't pay kitami, ye Juma. The director is serious, crew is serious. And I'm a colleague since we are serious. Who did you cry? Hey, Beshuti, hey, what's a fancy feeling? Big man so bad, and I'm saying sugar be a day.
Beef man, can we be true?
And the one more shot in as no be any beef. Yes, so mom ya against them no mean no beef. And I want you time no be beef. And the moon I must what Yama. In fact, many aje. Say odo amunya maya, munya but say she juma. Any be no. When you hope one shall be a movie.
Are you wait, Lottie way?
Lottie in the kitchen. Yeah, Lottie in the kitchen.
This other Janet.
Brony.
When your beef be young crown, continue. Yes,
and I don't quite wear late nights.
Only yes, and Adriana don't fend Yagro. Adriana did. ABC or no one Adriana so yes, when your beef for a friend Gunko anymore. What you oh, black.
Intervention for ye dumb.
But your uncle unity. Oh, Starboy. Almost Uncle Tonta or Starboy. I'm going to say, hey, oh, 0553 6058. Yeah, the Pepper.
No, and this is the identity, you know. And you're now your own son, which now, which much almost and a beef for more.
No, currently say, on what do when I am at me so? No, I'm saying any anymore. But me, your money is a minimum anymore. It's your uncle. Many DMs be brave and go focus on me saying a lot to wish a hay fan. It's been long we saw you on the screen, yes.
What's your kitchen?
They called Dubai Kakra.
Hey!
Yes.
Kitchen's no share a year.
They called Dubai Patrol. My family wanted to you. Actually, now I didn't want to see Kakra because of 1 or 2 personal reasons in here. But to say I am back on the screen for good.
And then
it's more famous, more famous. My dog for more time in our Mupo, I'm back home. So we are midday, Masaba. But as we always ask you, say, one subscribe, and only a power. An important one, parts not a day I come. So, more subscribe, my auntie, and your nature didn't say, you guys are actually watching it and subscribing for us. Musa, yeah, the whole can't much yes, he was so you could tell me for some one who said it. But more subscribe, I didn't say more appreciated, you know. Now views, no, and get to when you say, ne kosa yesi uncle ana ne wa ha nti mo no se meka ka enyina ya ana ne ya o me so me meshe mechi pejina he ya
Itisa enkwelifo
in fact
Osekufu
na wotira na fodo yi sheme de bu na ese enyina e wo fa no
enyina e wo fa ne jadu mu Infa madam
Ka bibi tire fans no
to enuanu me da mase de anya o mu wa ne se mo be subscribe amai
of course yeah, subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe. My.
Let's go.
Subscribe. My comment in also.
Comment today. You pay views no more.
Views in also.
Yeah.
It's one to me now or no be. Then to me that massive.
Let me add this one. It has come to our realization. Say, yeah, some comment section of body shaming being a day on a more serious note. Yes, we appreciate every comment you bring it. But yes, with so much due respect, body shaming, each and everyone has the negative and positive effects. We don't really like it. Say, yeah, Bonia, of course, you have every right to say, but sad the other day, yes, Shemwan, come we feel look at Kramaya and you are a victim, I guess.
Yes, I am.
And they no
seriously, I know I'm slim. I am. Me can't say me so.
Oh,
to be the cancer me 9 years straw and 9 straw. How damn? I'm sexy, yeah. Slim and sexy. To me, sexy.
She is.
And we be young me as well. Be so nice as straw. Be mama. I need to mama say waterfall. And it's one particular person. Trey. Some he's on also in UK, Scotland.
It's okay.
Or did you at some anywhere? I Trey. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
all your negativities, no, and putting it down, rather it shapes us, but the insults are too much. We are human too. Yeah, but
your feelings, emotional feelings. Sometimes it gets to us.
It gets to us, we cry.
In
as much as we entertain you, no, be entertaining, so please.
They say my idea many ade pa say most people ade no advert dem ba mo ma no busi esre mo koso na mo nye saa ma ye eno de ya de hia pa mo de mo koso ma no emmo ensi ase kwa na mo hwe yi no kwa ma hwa ma ye ya pa ma cho se de mo ye ma ye mo nye saa ma ye why e che obi bia ka wa se ba ko
chairwoman yes
ya wa yo be
family search
Pacho, me the best off camera. Why, Mr.
Me pe camera mu dia.
Me the best off camera. Into once again, yeah, Kase, we thank you all for the big support you're giving us. Yeah, Damasi, we do appreciate it so well. So I'm out.
Okay, but we know most of artists now among locations so me the omo nyina gina man na man da ho na wase senior man ni ase. We say sa channel we so e ka pillar ba kwa we gina mu to now. Senior man wura and then Brigadier man best actor for Tema Boy from original Tema Boy
director
to Return of Tema Boy. That guy, like, I go award him. The guy is like, he's a very good actor. Let me tell you, for Duke Center, guy need Duke because the rule now, oh yeah, you know. Oshe hawa, usi switch yeah, maybe actually. Me to me, the members of Namaka, Brigadier like best. One of the best actor for Tema Boy. That series there, that guy is mine.
Best actor.
Go blah 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 blah.
And the best one.
Hey, no for Brembrem.
No for Brembrem.
Charlie, recently I'm on screen, but me meeting na Chakakra, and then now our crew side. She used to be my continuity way back. My sound man no say near point, you know. Young boys just said better dinner until I worry I worry now I am a continuity way back, but Nancy and I say one so about teams and then semini around and I say bia who say me bread as a new man does in detail and bra she's the one who assisted me kakra it's one so she's doing well. Your friend girl, yeah, to work out be now.
I told me Fatima, or friend me girl because me a girl so I think it's normal. But I'm trying that must be brave or one with the boy support and everything. The most important thing is the advert, but a bama must keep it. A honey see your coins. It's strong. I must keep my a honey hair pa, a bama shaman see. Now you see now crying. And she and there must be brave.
I think I said,
But I must be Fatima Pacho, me girl. Fatima.
So hi guys, wonderful people. Me da must be brave. I'm some more time in can't check a crack. Me ko share campus so inti na more time in can't check a crack. I me go school. Me go school. I am me university graduate. You go school inti na. Graduate. Me ya go graduate now. No, me ya ba baby. Inti na more time in can't dey. I check a crack no. In Simpacha, I'm under my direct and so as mammy way. Or no so can who be now, me that's the gentleman. I know no one can me. And see, I am on done as the same done as baby now. Tell room, can join the one I'm in person. Not tell room. And as the one can
Eti ya da mu nyina amase wa ya da amase like say ye bibi so na ankoyi so a ye ne mo a mo fa nche wa na ya krebi maka so I said that was na kokon hira mu nyina wa
Sound on my screen so on ma
sound man the better din ne nimba obeye say enti no se mini hwe
yeah peti I just want to subscribe to my channel why I'm a fan of my channel I'm a fan